Today we will study about a keyword of C language, and that keyword is Typedef. Now we'll see some points about this keyword Typedef. Here it is said that in C programming to rename a built-in or custom data type. By the way, this built-in means the primitive data types like int, float, long, char, all these are built-in or primitive data types, and custom data type means structure, union, all these are custom data types. So if we want to rename a built-in or custom data type, then we use this typedef command. Now what is the syntax? First we write typedef, then the existing type means present type, we mention that type here, and after giving a space we write the new type what we want to give. For example, float is a primitive data type or inbuilt data type. So if we want to rename it, then we can use typedef for that. So we'll write typedef. So this T will be in small. This typedef float space real. So in the program where we'll use this typedef command, it will work within that program only. This is not for all the programs. So in the program, if we use this kind of statement, that means in that program real will be considered as float. Similarly, in case of a structure, say I have declared a structure here and the structure name is what? Student. It is containing these members: long, roll, char, name, float, marks. So here name is a character array. The size of that array is 50. After that, we know that using this struct keyword and structure name, we can declare any number of structure variables. Now I want to rename this structure. So for that, what I have to do, typedef struct student std. That means now onwards in this program the structure student will not be there. I have renamed it and the new name is given to it, that is std. So instead of student we'll use std. So after that, if we want to declare any structure variable, instead of writing student then the variable name, we'll write std then the variable. So here you can see I have declared stds, means s is a structure variable. Which structure variable? This structure variable. But here the structure name is student. Here we have already renamed it and the new name is given to it, that is std. Therefore using this new name std I am declaring the structure variable. So it is 100% correct. So from all these things we can say one thing, that this typedef we cannot use it to form a new data type like structure and union. You know that in case of a structure or in case of a union, we are forming new data type, but using typedef we are not going to form any new data type. Instead of that, what are we going to do? We are just renaming an existing data type. Okay, now I'll show you some codes where you see how can we use typedef in a program. Let's go for it. So here is a program. You can see that after including the header file, what I have done, typedef float real. That means in this program, wherever I'll declare a real type variable, those variables will be considered as float type variables. Now I have declared a structure that is stdinfo, and it has 3 members: long type variable role, one character array name, and one real type variable marks. Real type means float type variable, because already we have renamed it, so we are using the new name. After that, what I have done, as I explained, the syntax of typedef, to change the name of a structure, what we need to do, we write typedef, then the struct keyword we use, then the present name we give, and then the new name we give. So here I have written typedef struct stdinfo student. That means this stdinfo, this structure will be renamed and the new name is given to it, that is student. Now I have declared one student type variable s. Actually we don't have any structure like student here. the structure we have here, that is stdinfo, but already we have renamed it, and the new name of that structure we have given student. Therefore I am declaring a student type variable. That means this variable is a variable of this structure only. After that, in the main method, what we have done, I have entered these values of roll, name and marks, definitely using the structure variable s, and after that I have displayed these values. Now let's see whether it is working or not working. If it works, that means this kind of changing the name of a structure using Typedef, that is successful. Now first I'll compile this one. So it is not showing any error. Let's run it. Yeah, it is working. It is asking for the roll number, say 450012. Name say Suman Sen. Marks 78.45. So exactly the same values it is displaying: name, roll and marks. That means this way typedef command or typedef keyword works. I hope this is clear to you. Okay.